What's going on, y'all? Today is Friday, man. I got two things for you guys. First thing, I need your help, bro. I need everybody who checks this video out to please subscribe to a brother's channel. That's the first thing I need. Look, I actually really enjoy doing the YouTube stuff, and I think where it's all gonna go at the end of the day, bro, is gonna be beautiful. And I want everybody to be a part of the journey, but I need everybody's help, bro. Please subscribe to the video, or subscribe to my page, like the video. That's the first thing. The second thing is I have something for you. Today is a car meet, and I'm gonna pop off. So y'all gonna get some good clips of that. It's Friday. Hopefully your week was good. Hopefully all that was good. So I just made it to Oliver's house. Yes, sir. Good news and bad news. I'm not bringing the G35 tonight, so I'm not gonna be popping out like I promised in the beginning of the video. I actually got offered to trade for this car. Yeah, no G35 for tonight, unfortunately. So you're just gonna see me recording other people, I guess. It'll still be fun, man. It'll still be fun. We're still gonna try to go crazy. Looks like something's in the background, but I'll catch up with y'all in a second. All right, y'all, we at the meet.
Yeah, we're here.
We got the roller, bro. Should've brought the G.
Should've brought it, but you could've been swinging.
Sorry, the quality.
You gotta keep it kid friendly.
Don't curse.
Can't curse.
I'm gonna have a
What the freak, man?
Bro, you can do better, fam. You can do way fucking better.
I don't know, bro.
Minutes later.
Alright, y'all, we at the next spot. You think this is gonna get busted quick? It's like slick right next to like a main road, bro.
Oh yeah, definitely.
We'll see what happens. Shit. Waiting for the next person to pop off.
Break that motherfucking in, fuck with that time. Shit. Break that motherfucking.
Yo, hold on. Can we see the damage real quick? God damn. So this guy just hit this guy's 370 with his G37, and he fucked it up pretty bad, man. So note to self.
They're arguing about a price, bro.
Who?
They're trying to argue about a price to like pay off the repairs.
All right, Oliver, next spot, bro. You think your car is gonna get hit?
Hopefully not. After seeing the Z.
After the Z, bro?
Yeah, I'm kind of scared.
Yeah. I think he's gonna go. Alright, y'all. Guess I'm done for the night. So I'll see y'all in the next vid. Hope y'all messed with what swinging we did see. I'll see y'all next time, bro. I'll see y'all next time. Like, subscribe, comment below, all that stuff. I'll see y'all next time.
This, homie, yeah, you better learn it. Anything you want, you better earn it. Do anything you can before you end up in that furnace. Only thing I gotta ask you, was it really worth it? Man, was it really worth it? Levels to this, homie, yeah, you better learn it. Anything you want, you better earn it. Do anything you can before you end up in that furnace. Only thing I gotta ask you, was it really worth it? Man, was it really worth it?